Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to an episode of GB's Crazy Drunken Reviews. Hey, we're gonna review something. Everybody knows I like to cook my own stuff. Well, guess what? Right now, we're gonna not cook something, we're gonna heat it. Because usually when you buy packaged food, you don't cook it, you just heat it. And tonight, before we heat this, we're gonna get uncanny with a can of Carlsberg. You may have seen this in an unboxing video, I don't know. I don't know when that video came out. It might not be out yet. But we're gonna get uncanny with a fucking can of Carlsberg Danish Pilsner. Sorry, Bjorn. Yeah, I know you don't like that, but there you go, buddy. So tonight, we're gonna have some Cobblestone Farms sous vide fully cooked pork back ribs in barbecue sauce. Cheers, big ears. So let's take it out of here and see what we got fucking going on. Looks like that. Sauce. Looks like that. No, we had a lot of fat here. Congealed. Alright, yeah, there too. Okay, but there's some sauce in here. It said, oh wait, I gotta read the instructions to you. Sorry about that, I gotta go get the box back. While I go get the box back, I'll drink some more beer. I guess we have to do this professionally. Bastard style. Alright. You can cook these ribs. Defrost before heating. That's if you freeze them. Hey, there's a thing here. Go away. Conventional oven. 20 to 25 minutes at 375. Remove all packaging. Really? What, you can't put plastic in the oven? Since when? I want all those, like, fucking hydrocarbons in my system. Preheat oven to 375. It's already heated. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Squeeze out the sauce and sauce it halfway through. Use caution when removing from the oven. Tray and product will be hot. Really? Fuck, the oven is hot? Like, I didn't know that. You can barbecue. Barbecue. Remove all packaging, squeeze out sauce, preheat, barbecue to medium, heat for 7 to 10 minutes. So, if you do it on the barbecue, 7 to 10 minutes. Or you can microwave them. Well, we ain't fucking doing that. 1200 watt, 4 to 6 minutes on high. No. That can fuck off. We're gonna do it in the oven at 375, and you know what? I'm gonna put some fucking tasty taters in there too. In the United States, tasty taters, they call them, what are they called? McCain tasty taters in the United States are called tater tots. Whoever the fuck, or Ryder or somebody makes them in the USA. At Cobblestone Farms, our ribs are slow cooked to perfection. Yeah, fuck right off. Fucking cocksuckers. Cheers, big ears. Okay, I'm gonna put these on a tray with parchment paper and put some tasty taters on there, and we're gonna fucking throw them in the oven and see what the fuck happens. Maybe they'll be good, maybe they won't. Alright, bitches. that's what I got going on. I got the tasty taters, I got the ribs, I got the fucking beers, and we're gonna do a drunken fucking review. Woo! Not of the tasty taters, of the ribs. Cheers, big ear. So we're gonna throw that in the fucking oven, and we'll be back in about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. That's what it said on the package. 20 to 25 minutes. Probably do it 25 minutes. I don't know. Maybe 20. I'm drunk. Woo! This is an honest drunk review. CGBS style. Alright, bitches, here you go. We got our Cobblestone Farm ribs. We got some tasty taters. We're going to throw a bit of salt on the tasty taters. There you go. And a little bit of white vinegar. A little bit. And a little bit of French's ketchup. Because, you know, everything's better with French's ketchup. So there you go. A little bit. Not a lot. Good enough. Looks good to me. Alright. Look at that, eh? These really do smell pretty good. I'm surprised. But oh well. Hey, doesn't take a lot to surprise a fucking drunk ass, eh? Cheers, beers. This is a crazy drunk review, right? Woo! Fuck yeah. Beer is good. Tells me right there. Alright. Should we try the tasty taters first, or should we try the ribs first? Let's try a tasty tater. Yummy. Crispy. And we baked those at the prescribed instructions for the ribs. Not that. And they still turned out well, because the instructions were different. More ketchup. Okay. Let's go in here. Hey, look out. Let's taste it. It looks like that. It looks like that. Let's taste it. Is it any good? Holy crap. It is good. Is it excellent? No. Is it like homemade? No. But like I said, I wouldn't bother wasting my fucking time doing that. Like, hey, that's bone. Bone. No, I would not do that. Would I waste my time on that? Fuck no. Look out. Come here, you. Where's the meat? Hey, wait a minute. Maybe it's not so good. There's not so much meat. Oh, there's meat. Not a lot of meat. $8 though. $8. $8 here. I don't want to pick it up and mess my hands up because I have a camera to work. No, that's fucking tasty. I can tell you that right fucking now. Come here. like it. Very man. Got myself a fucking wet mat. You know, a nice big sanitary napkin. And I don't mean the one you wear between your legs. There you go. Come here, bitch nuts. Look out! I dropped it. Kind of wrecked, eh? It's fucking tasty. There you go. Well, for $8, the cobblestone ribs are fucking good. If you're trying for homemade, forget it. Nothing that you buy packaged like this will be like homemade. But hey, this shit's pretty fucking good. I like it. This gets the GB seal of approval. Oh yeah. Fuck me. Fuck it. Not fall off the bone, but and fall off the bone is what I like. Yeah. Would I buy that again? I would. For $8, not $13. Nope. No fucking way. So that goes on sale again at No Frills? I'll fucking buy it. Look, the grocery store is pushing me away from home cooking. All right. Time for my wild wing wet nap. See, I gotta clean my hands. There you go. Because I'm gooey. And what am I doing? Just wasting time. That's fine. There you go. That was tasty. Here, come here. Tater tot. If you're in the United States, here it's a tasty tater. Fuck great off. Look, I almost fell down. I'm drunk. Okay. I would buy that again. On sale. Cheers, big ears. Thanks for watching a crazy drunk review of wherever the fuck that was. It was good. RTFO, mofos. Oh, it worked. See? It was good. Keep on rocking the free world, bitches.